Hi again. My name is Hariom Vashisht. HARIOM VASHTHA. This is for the algorithms because often they get my name wrong. So, who am I and why am I doing it? What am I doing? Um, let's start with the agenda of the session. I'm preparing for my Agentforce Specialist certification, and I aim to take my second attempt by the 11th of July. That is about, oh, I have a, um where's that? My screen top did not start automatically. Okay. Uh, it's 22 days, 1 hour, and 31 minutes, 15 seconds. I'll share my screen in a moment. So this is my goal. About 22 days, I wish to attempt my Salesforce Agentforce certification the second time. That's the that's the goal. Okay. Um, I think the screen is visible, and it would have my uh, custom timer visible as well. And I would not like to assume. So the tech I've been using in these sessions, I'm doing it the third time. It's called the third inning, and it has been going live on YouTube since some time. Just that, uh, I have been doing it, learning and building sessions on live stream on YouTube. But if I had to flex, why not do it on a professional platform, like directly? Uh, I am automating my workflows very often. So if I have to look at, so these are the live streams I have been doing. I have an agent that is documenting these sessions. So after about 24 hours of this live stream, YouTube used to share the uh, captions. Then I pulled that using script in Cloud Code and summarized that, created a to-do list, and had to save it, like save it as a document in a Notion document, and also updated the YouTube description. Now that agent is, I'm able to do the same thing uh, using Cloud Code for free, which is like although a paid version of Cloud, but I don't have to spend too much extra credits. On Hermes agent, the second model is Hermes agent built on the top of clawstation.ai. Oh my god, this is a great platform. So I until when the Clause Station Hermes Agent desktop app wasn't available, right? So this platform launched a 15-second mode to be able to give me the Clause Station, but then support for I tried Clause Station as well. It was a failure in a way that I spent about $5 in a moment, and I did not expect it to, like, in a moment. In a way, I think the heartbeat as one of the features I did not know, and it kept on beating the heart, and it shows burnt my dollars. That was a shock in the first session. Oh my god, I did not expect it to. And $5 was a huge amount in a way that I did not expect it to. So but my budgets are low. So I am now running this $1 million agent consistency partner, which is the name of my agent. Uh, I test it. I keep running it. I'm able to do the same thing in two ways. One is the Cloud Code, which is like doesn't cost me much. This Hermes agent initially used to cost me $1.03. That's the cost of my experimentation. I kept on upgrading. customizing this. Initial goals were something else. So my workflow is upgrading faster than my AI is able to adapt. So my tasks are here. These are versions. I'm not running the customization on the top of it anymore, like very carefully. Just wanted to expose this one more last thing. Portfolio of agents is like it's like the system I'm trying to build, or the vision in which I want to showcase myself is a way. Uh, so yeah, I have a portfolio of about three agents. Fun is first one was kind of a it's just a thesis, but it's more of a philosophical foundation of the way I think. Um, this agent is like not there yet. It's just a thesis with a with a vision to change hiring in the age of artificial intelligence. People are doing it. There are some ways in which alignments are checked today. I'm thinking more in conversational ways. Conversation as a foundation of anything we do, everything we do. So the second agent was on the top of the existing platform I had. It's a discipline program. Three mistakes of my life.in visible here, but I'm not going to expand too much on what I exactly is that. What is the story? Just showcasing the homepage. Three mistakes of my life.in. It's into evolution, and I am not even expanding on this business yet. I'm expanding on my skill set on the top of Salesforce scenario. This platform is there. It's live. It has one Agentforce agent on the corner here, and it's there. It only describes the project behind it. Just that. So not doing that as well. My playlist has got how many videos? 10 videos. Wow, third inning. Second inning had how many? 32 videos. First inning has 3 videos. Wow. And first time I built my Salesforce agent on live stream as well. I wasn't able to do it. Build that agent, make it work, make it talk. But then I went live. I was like, dude, let me just do it. And I went ahead and I was able to like make it talk. So now, back like focusing on the agenda of the session. The session is being live streamed on LinkedIn at the moment, and will be downloaded from here and uploaded on my YouTube playlist. I think I will be able to do it with the help of a script in Claude as well. So like automate the workflow, optimizing the top of the funnel, and expanding into the ways I can beyond I can imagine. So the goal is to attempt the certification. Second time, the first time I scored about 68%, failed by 6% marks. The topic currently I'm working on is prompt engineering, right? It costs this section has a weightage of about 20%, right? So I have been running my self-evaluation with the help of the recent version of Fable we had, but it stopped. Then it went down to the recent best available model again. But the first test of like 20 questions, about 20 questions, right? Um, I scored about like 53%. So I asked it to describe the questionnaire, describe the session, describe the things I could not understand. Then I retook some like 20 questions, and oh, it's now showing me the questions. Why did it jump to something I did not expect? Why does it happen sometimes? Okay, so the second attempt was like 95%. I think I understand the basics to some extent. There are some things that I still don't understand. It's like now I want to actually build an agent, right? Sorry, customize the prompt in the Salesforce account. So I have my account ready here. I'm logging in from here, and in my earlier sessions, I used to actually run the Claude. script or maybe my Hermes agent to like do the summarization of my. Actually, I can do that, right? So I can go to my recent routine. Hey, I have it. Um, so I'll showcase my session, which is the document is routine is going to create for me, and I will have it from here. Where's the recent version of it? I did not name them right. The recent version is 15 June. 15 June, yeah, 4 days ago. So I'm going to be running this again, and before that, I'll be talking about the database, the third inning. So the end of the day is the discipline I'm trying to follow. Is an experiment to optimize an agent, Hermes agent, which is like documenting my session and based on specific goal of the, how I should say, pack of days. Okay, so each session has a expected cost of around, like, that's the average I had, $1.03. Initially, I did not track the cost. Then in my recent Hermes agent, it like run, it was about $2. It's another shock for me. So I'm not actually going to run that $1.92 experiment. I need to optimize my prompt, and for that, I'm actually not actually now even trying to do that. So that's not the focus. Optimize. Oh, fail to run. You can try again. Okay. So the technology keeps on like failing me every day. Um, So it's about 10:39. Let's focus on the session. Now, as I said, this is not an Hermes agent session, right? So there will be a new page here from 14th, I think, so the most recent YouTube stream. It will pick it up, download the, uh, oh, it's not downloading. Hi. I don't even know how, at what moment I like lost the connection. I Let me see if I can pull the log from my live stream on phone. It says about 15 minutes. So it's going to be a like very hard. Damn it. Information pulling, not able to. It's live on YouTube. I see it. I see. So it started from high where I started. Okay. I had this another problem in my web browser that it launches a pinned LinkedIn app page on Google Chrome. I'm not able to shut it down. Damn it! I'm not even able to figure out how which app is causing this. There's one Galaxy app which could be doing it, but I could not find the configuration for this particular thing that I don't want. Like it's like I'm losing my agency to choose to design the experience I want. Okay. So I was talking about Salesforce Agentforce Specialist Certification attempt, and for that I'm also looking for sponsors. Sponsors. It's a challenging question. It's a difficult question. It's a question about why. It's a question about expectations. Why should someone sponsor my session, like my certification? It's a call for collaborations. It's not just about like $100 of certification fees, right? It's about what is it I can do for you, right? So, like before jumping into the prompt engineering part of uh, prompt engineering part of Salesforce Agentforce, it's a prompt is a message. Prompt is a context. Prompt is a um, picture, right? Which needs to be fed to a system to get something out of it. Right? It's just a basic system of conversation between the systems, my brain, the system's brain. That uh, as they say in the recent version of what is that? Salesforce headless. So it's like if I am talking to Salesforce headless, it shouldn't be headless. It's a Salesforce brain. I mean, why? I hope Mr. Mark Benioff converts this, the relaunches this whole campaign to Salesforce headless to Salesforce brain. And of course, it's a borrowed thought from someone who's somewhere in the industry. So I don't even remember who gave me this thought. Okay. So let's jump to the learning sessions. I now plan to share my screen, and let's jump to my Salesforce account. Okay. So this is my Salesforce account. I've practiced a lot. Not actually building agents, but I've been practicing MCQs, which is not the my preferred way of getting evaluated, like working with the industry. I mean, get me to build an agent, dude. I mean, make me write a prompt rather than making me sit in a black box for 3 hours, like whatever 2 hours that is, like 60 questions. Why MCQ, man? Why? Oh my god. I want to ask this question to Mr. Mark Benioff. I mean, challenge the industry, dude. It's a no-brainer. Get me to build an agent. Like, get me to write a prompt. Let me just log in again. I will switch to the prompt writing ground, right? So, if I have to test if I know how to write a prompt, I will try to write a prompt. I basically need to write a prompt for a client, right? So this is my Salesforce account home setup. Within setup, we'll go to prompt. I actually should do all this with the cloud. Like, why should I even uh, uh, do it manually? I mean, I know today there are agents to get me to do things, right? So my account may not be most recent version of the system. Do I have agents on the account home? Connect the Salesforce prospect customers. I think there's a setup account agent helper as well. It may, I don't know how I am skipping. Maybe I should sign up again to get the like latest features of the system. Or there's a setup agent somewhere. I think. I saw it a couple of days ago. I will keep exploring. Setup, service, setup. Oh, there's an Agent Force vibes here. I did not see it. Maybe the last time I did not notice it. I don't know how long I did not notice it. Actually, I had not been logging into my Salesforce account since a long time. I felt incomplete. Oh, this has been the wallpaper on my Windows desktop for a long time. Oh, I've not been sharing the right screen. I'm off the topic right now. I wanted to actually focus on the prompt builder, but why not get the vibes? I like this may take a few moments. It's okay. So, I mean, why not get the like vibe with the system to write me a prompt? Let's look at the prompt builder as well. So, oh, okay, I think I should have a maybe split screen will not be a suitable thing, but let me try. Uh, New split view with current tab. Yes. I don't know which screen is currently shared. Oh, only one of them will be shared. Okay. And I actually want to share something else, but it's not shared. Oh, share the. So it's I'm using Salesforce in split screen, but it's the visibility is only showing the one of them. Oh, it's okay. If I could share the whole screen, it was, but it's not maybe not important right now. So I'll go to tabs one by one. Let's see what Agent Force Vibes can do. Where is the chat? It must be somewhere right here. Wait a second. There's a project DX project. So I don't understand Salesforce code yet. It's like I'm a noob. I have never written in my life written a Salesforce or even walked through or explored um, code. But I tried talking to Claude Code to do something on my dashboard, build something. Oh my god! So let's look at the vibes. Hey, we have the vibes here. This is what I was looking for. So it's like I don't know the playground very well yet, and I accept that. It's a good thing to know where do I stand, right? And this is the oh my god. Where's that home screen that came before this? No. It may be just a loading screen, but I have it on my oh desktop as a wallpaper since long time. Let me look at what Claude is. Yeah, I had missed. I wanted to run a routine on Yeah, Cloud, right? It's now launched after relaunching the Cloud. That's what I don't know why happens. So systems software actually sometimes fails. I wish maybe so. Let's not focus on Cloud right now. Meet Agentforce, your AI coding partner with the Salesforce. Oh my god! I don't know how much limitation I may have. So it's like, do I know the limitations of the system I'm dealing with? Do I know the limitations of the system I'm dealing with? I don't know the limitations of the system I am dealing with. What I'm saying is that I don't know the Salesforce ecosystem very well yet, and I have been learning the ABCs since some time. I know the ABCs to some extent. Only the ABC I launched a couple of agents on my live websites. Currently, I still wish to build an agent on my website nothingelsematters.com, where I want an agent to describe the project, like describe the services I provide, describe the uh, who I am, right? Tell my story for me. So and log that all. So I have not built an agent yet, which logs the conversation with the audience, which is what I want to do with my agents very soon. Currently, the goal is to go for the certification, so I'm not focusing on that as well. There are a lot of pending projects in my kitty, but they are all great, all connected to each other so deeply that, oh my god. Okay, so let me jump to the prompt builder. So agenda is to learn the prompt engineering, right? Now there are what is that I don't know about prompt builder is the types of the agents. Sorry, prompts. These are the very, and this is a very common question in um, certification, which is like there are very many types of templates, prompt templates, which has a each of one have its own. Okay, sorry, pros and cons, right? Use cases like email, like Gen AI summary, like knowledge answers, right? So it expects the certification expects us to know some. I mean, why not get me to write an agent? That's my like. You can say challenge, and I really want to challenge Mr. Mark Benioff on the thing like, why do you have to get me to attempt an MCQ? Just get me to build an agent, like write a prompt in a prompt builder, test it. You already do that through trailblazers, exercises. Okay, so flex. So let's jump to the structured learning process. Let's go to the trailhead. This is the greatest part of Salesforce ecosystem as well because it has documentation about anything anyone wants to learn, which is like the part of the software. If there's a documentation behind everything, we know the system, right? So we can ask. I mean, as a builder, I can ask system what is there, which part works how, right? Whatever I want to understand about the system, it can tell me. All of course, it will never be complete. It's like it's an always evolving state of a system, right? Salesforce has brilliantly built an ecosystem of quickly evolving, like feeding into itself. That is why the communities, that is why my goal for Bharat Dreaming, the wait a second, bharatdreaming.com, that is 11th of July. This is my this is my date, my target, my goal. So uh, my it's going to be a very big milestone, I think, in my career, in my own career as well. What I've been seeing in the LinkedIn marketing, volunteer marketing, volunteer led marketing content on LinkedIn. this community has got like a great setup, great ecosystem, and I'm going out after my like long break in my small town in Haryana. I've not been connected to the industry since very long time. Okay, going back. So the goals are important. So by the end of the session, I also wish to publish a poll on few of my channels, LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay, this. Oh, something failed. My pipeline failed on Claude. What exactly happened, buddy? Okay, damn it. So I'm not really able to focus on the learning part. Um there are some distractions I shouldn't be getting into. I don't know what's trying to do now. My cloud code did not run. Never mind. This is again like it's a distraction. YouTube endpoint returned 403 from this cloud IP. Transcript download failed. Blocked for instructions. No mother. So what happened? Why the YouTube 403, the YouTube transcript is blocked for this server? Server side. Oh, why it is blocked? Could be blocked. I don't know. No YouTube refresh token. No auth credential. Credentials found in what? Skill file is missing. Come on. Again, let me not get into this. Or like there is a need for automation every day, yes, but let's not get there. So the question right now is it's a vibing system, right? So let me see. Can you help me write a prompt template? It's about building up prompts, prompt engineering, writing a custom template. Let's see. The user wants help writing a prompt template in Salesforce. This is related to Salesforce prompt templates, which are used with Einstein AI. It's a this is like system trying to think through my. Uh, oh my god! So many tokens got consumed in one shot. 36,000. Do I really understand systems, AI systems? One short prompt token 3, completion token 491, cache writes 35,000. I don't understand that. I don't really understand. Context window. Used 36,000. Total 200,000. Okay. Context window is very small. Maybe I can customize the models and context window size as well. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So let me read through it. This is related to Salesforce prompt templates, which is used by Einstein AI features. Let me think about what skill would be most appropriate here. Okay. Looking at the available skill, I don't see a specific prompt template skill instead. However, this could be to Agentforce development. Let me check if there's a relevant skill. Oh my god. Skill available don't include a specific prompt template skill. The closest one would be helping Agentforce, which means prompt template authoring, but says not to trigger for it. What do you mean? Uh, Salesforce Developing agent force, which means it says it could mean developing agent force, which mentions prompt template authoring but says not. So I don't know where it is coming from, but says not to trigger for it. This could be an MCP tool for generating prompt templates. Okay, there might be MCP tools. Okay, let me ask the user for more details. Hmm. Of course, my prompt engineering prompt is too bad. It's not written carefully. It's not. So it's an exploratory thought to understand what are the basic, connect my frequency with the system's frequency. I understand it is meant to write code. I'm still working on the superficial layer of understanding, like talking to the system. The one who understands, who has been writing code since like the beginning of time in the Salesforce ecosystem since very long time, is of course much better than me, right? I'm like, again, I'm talking about my superficial level of depth of knowledge, which is like only the outer layer. Someone deep in the system is of course powerful, but again, I'm looking at the at my perspective, going down the rabbit holes that I can ask, I can ask questions from. So it's saying, let me ask more questions. Let me ask the user for more details about the kind of prompt template they need. Since prompt template can mean different things to Salesforce. Oh my God, I did not even know that. Einstein prompt template. Hmm. So let me look at my Salesforce account. New prompt template. Wow. Prompt template can mean different things. Okay, I did not know. So it's a live learning session. That's how it will be. Let me ask the user. Sure. Prompt template can mean different things in Salesforce and screen prompt templates for generating AI LLM features. Okay, for generative AI. Okay, email templates, other templates. Email templates cannot mean prompt templates, but okay, yes, there is a category in this as well. I think no, there's no category about email in new prompt templates. But okay, actually, looking more carefully at the skills, I would ask the user to clarify what they need. In Salesforce prompt template, typically refers to Einstein prompt templates used in AI Agentforce features. Hmm. Let me ask the user for more context about what they are trying to build. Okay, with the prompt templates. I mean, getting getting a scientist to make tea. That's how it will be. Agentforce Vibes is meant for writing code. It's not meant to write something like a prompt template. But of course, for a beginner, it's that's how it would be. um, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm a beginner. I'm an outsider from the Salesforce ecosystem, and I only understand the ABCs to some extent. So if I have to look at something, so again, let's not jump. Let me take a like quick session. This finish it first. I would be happy to help you write a Salesforce prompt template. To make sure I create the right template for your needs, I need few more details. So it's now asking for more context. My prompt engineering learning session with a very bad prompt input. Okay. Oh, yeah. Can you help me write a prompt template? I mean, what is that you want? Why it is do you want it? It should have been there. Oh, the clock says 22 days, 0 hours, 52 minutes to July 11. Agent Force has a question. What type of prompt template are you looking to create, and what is it intended use? I've seen template for Agent 4. Oh, there are three options now. It's like
HTML enabled actions. An nesting prompt template for Agentforce used in AI powered agents or flows. I don't know why it says Einstein powered, but because my prompt builder doesn't say it as Einstein powered. So I don't know if they are Einstein. It says Einstein prompt template. No, I don't need an Einstein template. Einstein prompt template for a specific Salesforce feature. Maybe I'm actually Einstein prompt template for specific. These are the two, right? I'm not sure. Let me describe what I need. What a no. Okay, these are the other features within Vibes. Uh, so I don't know what I'm looking for. Hmm. Let me try to say prompt template type flex. Let me say it. Hmm. I chose one option. Now it will keep on describing how much prompts it is. Oh, tokens it is consuming. It may be very inefficient way of optimizing for the tokens, and that's what I'm not doing at the moment. I'm not optimizing for the uh, tokens. I think I may have some limitation here, but I don't know the limitations yet. Oh, okay, no tracing. So it's the first time I'm exploring Agentforce vibes on my Salesforce account. So the question is, please describe what you want, you need to do. For example, what task should the AI perform? What Salesforce object or data is involved? What should the output look like? So data library, platform. So there are a lot of things about Salesforce accounts I don't. I'm not trained to explore or just vibe with yet. So I'm taking baby steps to look forward to learn and explore. Let me have a cup of water again. So, while building from the small town in Haryana, I'm like, I'm having the best time of my life with the best resources I have, the best constraints. What do you mean, best constraints? My constraints. So, please describe. What I mean is like I'm not really able to give it a clear context, right? So I will jump to my Claude recent chat and find a context from there, from the questions I've been working with. There has been a movie, so if I, okay, I can share the screen. I think this this is a sad part of things. So Claude desktop app recent sessions, all the recent sessions are not available in the web version of Claude desktop, Claude code. Hmm. So I cannot share screen without actually sharing the whole screen. Okay, just learned something new. Okay, let me like just explore it manually. Not sharing the right screen. I understand that. Copying the context. Can I control F from this? Flow. Oh my god. Let me look for. Oh. Okay. Now there's a question on the screen. It says service rep named Priya is looking at case number 0034. Customer broke Customer's broken espresso machine. Her org has a button generate case summary. So case summary generation prompt template, right? So it's, I may not have my account ready to do these things. Oh, I think I'm not thinking it right. So let me jump to the Trailhead account. Something to show off. I have about 85 badges and 26,100 points. It's very minimal. I think people also have 300 or 3,000 badges. So I cannot boast much. Okay. So rather than doing a lot of, my browser had lost connection to your screen share audio. Try sharing your screen again. Restart your browser. Oh my god. So I have been streaming. Broken espresso machine have always the button generate case summary. So case summary generation prompt template, right? So it's, I may not have my account ready to do these things. Oh, I think I'm not thinking it right. So let me jump to the Trailhead account. Come on. Screen is showing me some error and it's okay. So now this is the Trailhead. This is the structured learning format. I should have followed since the beginning of time. I'm living a dream life of like 4 hours workday, which is like constraint I'm working with, which is a great time to optimize for time as well. Hey, in that even duration, I still hope to, or in the best case scenario, I think I should be able to help someone generate $1 million through their funnels. So let's quickly walk through this exercise, and that's all for today. Hmm. I want to do this during the day. I've been trying during the day. I think I wander into various other directions, um, mostly marketing and connecting with the people. Keep on thinking, keep on like pushing it to the end of the day and the day, and it goes out by the about midnight. My discipline is like a, yeah, my own system of goals and failures. We'll keep on improvising. The way and the how. Why and the how. The prompt builder quick look module, Linda Rosenberg, the Salesforce admin aimed to reduce her sales team's manual workload. So it's like automation again. My documentation of these sessions are being done by Hermes agent. Someone in the Salesforce as a Salesforce admin aims to reduce her sales team's manual workload. It's like one of the responsibilities, like look for the automation possibilities, right? So, um, as a new Salesforce Agentforce specialist, if I get a task to reduce some sales teams manual workload, right? So I know teams, every every process can be optimized. So if I get to start from somewhere like this, I may have to build a prompt template. I may be able to start from there, right? So let's look at it. In this module, we take a deeper dive and show on you why and how she did it. Build a sales email template. Okay. To create sales email prompt template, you need Einstein for sales, Einstein for prompt, or Einstein for service add-on. How do I get this add-on? I don't know. Needs a create a template a sales team can use. Okay, she wants to reduce time spends on creating invitations to customers for product events. Oh, there are many events. So it's like an organization of scale, an organization where the one person, that is me, may not need it, but I am trying to imitate a large organization within my organization, many departments, and I'm soon going to expand on that. If I had 100x more agency, I would have done that. So she wants to reduce. To do this, Linda navigates to prompt builder setup. When she navigates to prompt builder, the first page that's shown on the prompt builder explore. Here's what you find, right? I have a lot of things. And it says sales email. So we can jump to our sales account. Sales. Oh, I don't have it, right? So I don't have the plugin. It says sales email. I don't have a sales email. You need Einstein fraud prompt from Salesforce service. So let's look for the okay wait add-ons. Like my account is not ready to play with the tools I need to play. And no, I just okay. I need to figure out the add-on myself. Let me ask Gemini. I hope. Oh, Agentforce is also there, right there to maybe help me. Did you just crash? Did you just crash? Oh, add-on. So who will tell me about the add-on? So today's exercise should have been more smooth. Why the agent force? Why would the agent force agent crashed? Why did you crash, buddy? Why do we die? Listen to this unit. Okay. It says I can help you. Ask me anything. I can explain concepts, recommend what to study next, test yourself with the multiple choice. Oh, that's new. I mean, yeah, the agent force is powerful. Powered by agent force, AI can make mistakes. So verify. This exercise talks about a particular add-on. Where do I find it? My whisper flow is also acting. Come on. Whisper flow is out. Did not launch my after my relaunch, I think. Yes, I restarted my machine today, and it should have launched automatically. It often did. I did not crash it. I don't WPM 1 day streak. I keep on losing. Anyway, what was there? Oh, I did not share the whisper flow home. So yes, it's okay. Ta-da. So let me ask again. This exercise talks about a particular add-on. Where do I find it? I mean, in this much time, I could have explored my Agentforce accounts add-on section itself. Okay, it says I can help you find the tool you are looking for. Dude, don't you know the page I am on? I'll look it. Oh, come on. I just hit that. To create. I did not send the right message. Wow. If I hit the up key, it basically pulls in the previous message and deletes the current one. It used to be there in Skype as well. Great. This line comes from prompt builder content. Einstein for sales, sales for template, blah, 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 blah. Sales email templates in production organization. Where to get them? Talk to your Salesforce account executive. Purchase the add-on. Sales. If you just want to complete the exercise heads on, use special trailhead orgs. Okay, there is an org behind it. I'm not. I did not look at the right page. This is not the first page. Okay. So in my account, I will not be able to explore this particular prompt template. Sales email, sales email, prompt template. So I think I can ask it to explain. Help me understand prompt template types. Take me to the documentation of the right page. I love whisper flow because now I can think out loud. I can keep on talking and explore, thinking out loud like a madman, which I want to be. Here are the prompt builder templates types. Okay, sales email, field generation, flex, record summary. That's all. So I jumped off that page by mistake. I think I can launch it like that. Okay. Prompt. Oh, I wanted to jump to. Okay. It says. So I hit the button link. Get to know prompt builder. Okay. It has a custom exercise, custom account. Do we have it? No, it doesn't have a. In the previous question, the answer was wait a second. No, it wasn't the answer. Okay. If you want to complete the exercise hands-on, use a special trailhead accounts provided in these modules. So it may not have a account related to it. I'm confused. It should have been there. Without actually exploring the prompt template, I want to. This is a great map, but I don't want to expand on this right now. Let's look at this question. How do specificity in context impact prompt responses? Specificity and context impact prompt responses. They enhance the output by tailoring it to your requirements. They have no effect on prompt responses. They lead to predictable and repetitive responses. This is sad if someone picks up as repetitive responses. They slow down the response time. I should have hit the retake button first. Let me do it. I mean, I know this answer, but I don't know the second answer, right? I did not see it just now. Which prompt template type assists in generating personalized email for our customers? Which prompt template type assists? Generating personalized emails. Why would image generation be used for email? So one option is like odd one out. Second is sales email. That's what we are talking about, right? Personalized emails. Chatbot, no. Field generation, no. Although it's meant for generation, but it's not for say emails. Right. It's like it's right there. The answer is right there. Did I just make a mistake? No, it was 50% there. Anyway, okay. So there's no exercise. There's no Salesforce account connected to this thing, which I now want to explore. Like, what is that you expect me to? How do you expect me to learn this concept without an account? Let's kill the agent force. It's not really helpful. Okay. La, just like, just read through it because don't find an account you like where I can try it. Okay, but I should be able to try it. There is something I'm missing. Da-da-da, 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 da-da. It's not connecting. The dots are not connecting. So prompt builder doesn't have an exercise where I can try the thing it is trying to teach me. Quick look. No. Get to know the prompt builder. Get to know the prompt builder. Create. Oh my god. Where did I hit the next page? The point is, how do I find, like, where do I try this thing? How? And there's just something that I don't see in my thing, in my playground. So I don't really understand my playground very well yet. There's no sales email. There's no. Let's look at the requirements again. It says you need Einstein for sales. So let's look at Einstein for sales. Do we have Einstein for sales activated? My account. Where is my share this tab instead. Einstein for sales. Oh, great. Is Einstein activated? Einstein setup. Einstein setup. Einstein setup. I don't see it. Einstein says there is something Einstein as Einstein says. Wow. And it has some sections. Activity capture, settings. And there is data policy, but that is where I was actually. Anyway, okay, so I don't know where is the. Oh, it is Einstein sales, right? So I'm already in the Einstein sales. Am I not in the right page? Come on. Let me take it slow. How slow? How slow? User status. Why am I like roaming into these sections? Everything is zero. Could I be? Could I be any more wrong? Could I be more wrong? Could I be more slow? Could I be more? Uh, okay. Einstein activity capture. Einstein email insight. So this may be a like disconnect in the documentation, or I'm not asking the right questions, but I'm exploring my Salesforce account. Settings. Activity capture is enabled. I don't know what it means. When the feature is turned on, your configuration and setting take effect. When turned off, your configuration are saved, but the feature is disabled. Activity sharing, recommended settings, connection status, event setting, email setting. Okay, sync email as Salesforce activity. I mean, I'm I'm wondering if this feature of sales email is even prompt template, right? Let's look at the definition, or maybe the what agent force says. Maybe this exercise is like decade old. Sales email create and ground prompt template. So let's look at this page anyway. Create. Are we on the right page? That page even only no. Maybe we are on the same page. Okay, it just took us back to the same page. Take me to the documentation of sales email prompt. So now, event setting, email setting, go to flow builder. Where is the email configuration? Where did we just jump? Configuration. Okay. Excluded addresses. Gmail is restricted or excluded. Wow. The thing I was looking for is like I'm trying to understand why there is no sales email template in my prompt templates. So the agent force says this is the link for the sales prompt template details. So this is like 11:36 in my watch, 11:36 p.m. and my day is going to start early tomorrow. So I will be shutting this session in a few moments, and I wish to do it every day. If I have to flex, I'll flex it on live stream on LinkedIn. That's the competitive advantage I have. That's the mode of me working in a way that most people are scared of. Okay, prompt builder, sales email. Okay, okay, okay. So let me share the screen. I am often not in.
much into reading the documentation of at least other things I need to work on, but it is Salesforce. This is Salesforce, boy. If you don't read the documentation, you are already behind the system. Create, connect with customers using emails that leverage your customer relationship history and insights to generate personalized targeted emails to scale. Design a sales email prompt template because you can reuse your template for personalized targeted emails. Different products and customers. Getting LLM to write emails. I mean, it's easier, but it's templatized. It's anyway templatized. How do we scale the humanity? Set up your sales emails. To build a sales email prompt template, turn on email setup. In setup, sales emails. Okay, let me see if I am missing something. Do I need to turn on sales emails? What is sales emails? What is sales emails? There's no sales emails thing. There's no such thing as sales emails. The documentation says turn on sales emails in setup and assign a permission set to your users. Say see setup sales emails. Okay, let's look at the other part of this. The same puzzle is another rabbit hole. Let's see. That is the thing about documentation, and I also love it to some extent. Get ready to add Einstein sales email to your Salesforce Teams inbox. Turn on sales emails in setup and then assign. Okay, okay, okay. Come on. From setup and so this is the like details in the details of the Salesforce ecosystem. Like, look at this. It says from this particular page of section of the page, click that part, then go to that part, then click this part, then hold your ear like that. I love it. Enter Einstein. Select Einstein for sales. So I don't even have this Einstein for sales. Let me see. I don't think I have Einstein for sales. And if I don't have it, there is Einstein for sales. No, there is just Einstein sales, which is okay, which is what we are looking for. Okay, let me bring the documentation closer to my sales account, Salesforce account. Turn on sales emails. Do we have turn on sales emails? Look at this again settings. Let's go back to the settings. Yes, we are on the. Oh, I'm not sharing the right page. There's no mention of the keyword. I think email. There is much. Da-da-da. Okay. The previous mention. Let me look at the previous mention. There is activity sharing in the email keyword. The next is in-app notifications. The next is email setting. Okay. Sync email with Salesforce activity. Flow-based email matching. Don't capture automated. Da, 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 da. There are much configurations, which is like documentation is much behind the actual system. Documentation is always behind. It's a what do I say? What do I say? Documentation would always be behind the reality. So you cannot even rely on the documentation. Oh, it hurts. the, assign the Einstein sales email permission set to your users. Permissions. Okay, what permissions do I need to assign? How do I assign the permissions? There's no permissions on the screen. So I will have to go to permission section. And then I have permission. Give them the permission. Give myself a permission. But I'm the admin. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's see where it takes me. Permissions.
So there are two things, two different things: permission sets and permission set groups. This is the part of the knowledge where I am competing with the industry experts from like years of their experiences. Uh, so if someone has been dealing with the permission sets since a long, long time, right? I'm like, I don't even know which permission set means what. Agent force default admin. Okay, let's look for the sales. No, not sales. Email. Email permission set C2CE360 cloud integration. Okay, there's only one mention of email. CRM user. So let's ask AI. I don't know where's my setup agent. Maybe let's go to the agent section. So this is much about shoot like digging rabbit holes. I'm like, oh, I'm deeper than I could imagine. So I'm going to the agent section. This is the area where I want to explore. Like rather than shooting for the random things from the MCQ assessment. Get me to build an agent, boy. This is what I want to play with. Like, yeah, it doesn't cost much, right? It's just there. Like, there are some agents uh, exercises which the system evaluates me if I have built my agent right or not. Okay, template is a great thing to understand how. I mean, if I have to explain what I understand about templatization. Anything that computer users like us have been templatizing, the system knows. Anything that can be templatized can be automated. And now it's being automated. It's like, yeah, everything that can be um, templatized. Content builder agent, agent force for guided shopping, billing, sales agent, da, da, da. These are all the templates available. Knowledge space, survey field service. I wanted to have an employee agent, but like help me build a setup agent. Why was it not there in the settings? Or the I don't know. Should it be a service agent? Default. Is my default agent there? If I had to share my screen again, uh, I built it in the 6th month of last year, and I'm now touching it again. As per the system, it is active. Default Agentforce agent. Oh, the agenda for today was to learn the prompt builder, uh, custom. What is that? This is my default agent. No, I don't need this. So, did I hit this button yet? Help me build a setup agent. Did I hit that button yet? Okay. Am I coming back to this page one more time? Oh no. Setup agent. I don't know if it can do that. So I'm just experimenting. It's like improvising. Which one I should be using? Let's see if it works. Oh, I'm not sharing the right screen. Ta-da! Chat with the agent force to build your agent. Oh, I am improvising too much. One sentence purpose of your setup agent. I love this conversational format of building things. What a great time to be alive. Why is my screen not really clearly visible? Why UI is broken? That is why sometimes people actually hated Salesforce, but now it says it's a headless system. So what do I know? Just call it brain, Mr. Benet. 110 sentence. I need the agent to manage my Salesforce account setup, create flows, customize prompts in prompt builder, or set up emails and set up configurations related to the permissions. This is too much. This is too much. Is it very specific? I think it has like the Whisper Flow has done a good job in creating a list of the things I was trying to say. What key tasks? Okay, I have given the tasks above already. Onboarding new employee, configuration, setup, initializing Salesforce, all provisioning devices, collect prerequisites, validate configuration, provision resources, create users. Yes. Oh my god, it should be very specific. It should not be like vague. It feels vague. Manage Salesforce account setup, create flows, or if I have the purpose and task are the same, it's a wrong way. It seems like a wrong way of defining things. So if I copy the same thing from first answer to same as the second answer, damn it, it is stupid. I know. So it's a agent force to help me build an agent. If it can build an agent, so I'll be using that agent to manage my account. Let's see. So I'm not going to expand on this conversation. It is 11:50 p.m. and I wish to finish this session before midnight, before the date changes in my calendar. Cheers to the forever learning mindset. Cheers to the 4 hours work week lifestyle. Cheers to the greatest time of humanity to be alive. My God, this agent is not responding. If I hit this button skip, oh, something just happened. I want to hit save. It asked me, what did you just do? It said I have updated the section. I mean, you could have asked me more questions. I didn't need agent. So I should have said, help me plan the agent first. I just did everything there. Create flows, prompt customization. Oh my God. List prompts. What is that? List existing prompt builder prompts. So I'm sure these things are not like very clearly defined. I don't know if So if I try to commit to this subagent, it's a subagent. Why do you call it a subagent? Is using a model that only supports transition, utility, action, under actions, available for reasoning. What are you trying to say? This subagent is using model that only supports transition, utility, actions, under actions, available for reasoning. Wow, this is deep. Transition, utility action, under actions, available for reasoning. So actions available for reasoning only supports transition utility. It's not there in this section, right? So account setup. This part is a it supports something very minimal. So okay, not going deeper into this thing. I see this framing should be carefully validated before actually doing it in the live account. But I'm going to hit the commit. I don't expect it to work. I can try to preview it. Or is it like activated? There's a compliance error, compilation error. Please review the errors. Said there's a- No, don't. So where do I see the compilation error? It has created a lot of things for me. Oh, I have it. Invalid input for configuration. Yes, I did not add any input or any configuration. So there's a lot of there are a lot of details it has spit out. Can I say spit out? Okay, let's not. Oh, where did I just click? Action. It created, I think. So invalid configuration. Invalid input. Oh, come on. Input. Needs an input. Do you need an input? Where do you need an input? Come on. So let's look at the invalid input for configuration. System messages. Sorry, it looks something went wrong. I'm not able to find the missing piece of the puzzle. And I don't want to spend. Oh, it's about 11:56. Let me stop it right there abruptly. This is too much of it. So that's all for today. We'll be doing it often on live stream and expanding on what I'm doing, talking about preparing for my Agentforce certification, and I'm also looking for sponsors. Hi, let's chat. I have deep philosophies on the topic of the conversation published on my blog. See you tomorrow. I'll be there.